So this is how I learned sentence formation. I know that you are an English learner and you are going through this phase where you don't know how to make a sentence. Don't worry, I was there once, and I'm going to tell you 5 tips that will help you a lot, I'm telling you, but you need to apply that, okay? And I'm going to show you my notebook also. I'm like, I will tell you from my own experience, okay? So watch this video till the end, and also I'm going to share one YouTube channel that is going to help you, okay? First of all, if you don't know me, then hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar, and welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's jump into the video. The first thing that helped me a lot is reading and stealing sentences. Yes, you heard me right. Read and steal them. That's it. So what you have to do is pick any short story book. Panchtantra. Panchtantra is my first recommendation for you if you're a complete beginner, and if you can understand everything, if you have some words in your minds, then I would suggest you Sudha Murthy's book. Okay, I read Sudha Murthy book, but if you're a complete beginner, like you don't know anything how to make a sentence, then I would personally suggest you Panchtantra book, or you can even search on Google short stories and read them, my honey, read them. You won't believe it. You won't believe how much help this, how much this helps. You won't believe it. And also, every time when you're reading, please read out loud. Please, please, it's my humble request. Please read out loud. So the first step is pick any story book or search short stories on Google and read them. Not for at least one, not for one time. Nahi bhai. Read at least 10 times. Read at least 10 times. The more you read, the more you consume, the more your brain will start thinking in English. I know you are getting it. So please, please pick any storybook or read short stories on Instagram. No, no, no. On Pinterest, on Google, on yeah, or you can buy one Pansantra book. Okay. The second tip. Now I want to suggest you one English YouTube channel. Please watch their videos. Please steal sentences from them too. Yes, watch English videos on YouTube and steal sentences from them too. And there is one channel that I am going to suggest you now, which is Love Buster. Love Buster. It's kind of romantic channel. So you just have to watch their videos one or twice. That's it. And see how native speaker make sentences. See how they're using vocabularies. Not only sentences, but pick some phrases also. Wait, I'm gonna show you my notebook. So is this was there was one video. The title of the video was CEO falls for migrant beauty. And when I was watching that video, I steal these sentences. See, I steal these sentences, and I literally thought that I am going to use this in my daily life. See, it's not like you are doing any cheating or kind of something. No, babe, it's not like that. Just steal sentences, steal some sentences that you can use in your daily conversation, in your daily life. It's going to help you a lot. See, yeah, let's give it a try. Another one. I have been I have been waiting for you. See, so you can use these sentences. It's not like it's not cheating. First of all, it's not cheating. I am telling you, watch English videos from that channel, Love Buster. It's a romantic channel, but you can watch their videos, because you won't feel, bored and all. So it would be fun to watch their videos. So yeah, second tip was They watch English videos on YouTube and steal sentences from them too. Okay. Third thing is keeping a sentence diary. Every time when you're seeing a sentence that you can use in your daily conversation, just write in that diary. Just simply write that in that diary and learn them. I'm telling you, learn them. That's how I learned sentences, how to make sentences. You don't have to learn grammar. Okay, you don't have to, you seriously don't have to learn grammar. You just have to train your brain how to build a sentence, how native speakers use sentences, say sentences. So please keep a sentence diary and also write at least 3 sentences every single day, like what you did today, what annoyed you today, what's your plan for tomorrow. Okay, fine. I also had my sentence diary. So if I have one, I would write today that I recorded a video today. I am happy. I saw a bird in the sky today. That's it. Just 3 simple sentences. I'm not saying that okay, just write a long sentence and learn it. No. Build like make sentences on your own and write it. Okay. You can learn big sentences, that's okay. Because that's how I learned it. I swear I learned, that's how I learned, I swear. So please write 3 sentences on your own, okay? And this is going to help you, and keep a sentence diary with yourself. The fourth tip is using AI correctly. Use AI correctly, my honey. I really don't have any idea why some people don't use AI in these days. It's literally 2026 and you're not using it. You literally have a teacher, you literally have a coach on your phone, okay? And you're not using it. Why? Why, my honey? Why you are like this? And don't just ask questions like, Chat GPT, please teach me English. No. Be specific. Ask question like, give me 10 sentences that I can use in my daily conversation, or correct my sentence and tell me my mistakes, and tell me how can I improve. Be specific. The more specific your question is, the better answer will be. Yes, so use AI correctly, use it like your coach. I personally learned everything with ChatGPT, with AI, with Gemini also. Sometimes I use Gemini, okay? And please, please, I'm begging you, please start using AI, use ChatGPT. And if you want to search some short stories, you can also tell ChatGPT to give me one short stories, a very simple short stories that I can read and build my sentence formation. And the last tip is open your mouth. I i don't know, why don't you open your mouth? Why are you just reading in your mind? Why are you just speaking in your head? God gave you your mouth, bhai. You have your mouth, you have your tongue. Use it. Don't just speak in your mind, right? Please open your mouth. I am begging you. Begging you. Please open your mouth. Please, you have no idea. My honey, you have no idea. It will help you a lot. Please open your mouth every time when you are reading something. Every single time, just open your mouth. You don't have to be a perfect English speaker. You don't have to be a perfect English speaker, because you are just starting. You are just starting. I know, like you must be thinking, everyone say this, everyone say कि बोलो 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 आ जाएगा, इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते ही आएगा. हाँ, आई ऑल्सो यूज टू थिंक भाई सब एक ही जैसे बोलते हैं भाई कि हाँ इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते आता है. लेकिन सच में, आई स्वेयर आई हैव फेल्ट दिस. Earlier I was not good at like this in English. I think, and I was not good at this language. I was not. I was literally not. But now, today, I can speak English. I can express my thoughts in English. I'm making video. I am inspiring others. So thank you so much for this language, and it's my dream. It's my childhood dream to speak English like very fluent. And I'm still learning. I know that I will become an advanced speaker one day, and I will stand in a big stage. I mean, on a big stage, and I'm giving a speech. Everyone, open your mouth. Um, okay, but I'm going to do that. Okay, so that's how this video ends, and I hope you find this video helpful. Please apply these 5 tips in your daily life. Please. Okay? And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.